Ever wonder how quick and easy it is to make a DIY eye serum? Well, stick with me and we're gonna make one now. Easy that was. I told you, super simple, super easy, a lot cheaper than a lot of the store-bought brands, and it works so much nicer. So give it a try. Comment below, let me know how you liked it. There's a couple different variations on this recipe that you can do too. This is just my favorite one. So, you know, if you have another recipe, go ahead, comment below. Always love to hear the different variations. And if you like this, go ahead, please subscribe and like it, and then you'll be notified the next time I do another video. All right, in the meantime, I'm gonna see you in the next video. Bye.